Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Isa po sa mga inaabuso sa lipunan natin ay ang authority, ang kapangyarihan. Kaya po nakakalungkot na sa paggamit po ng posisyon ng kapangyarihan, ang dami-dami po o talamak po ang korupsyon na nangyayari. At kung tayo makikinig sa mga balita noon at hanggang ngayon, ang punot dulo nito ay ang pang-aabuso sa kapangyarihan na ipinagkatiwala sa atin. My dear brothers and sisters, authority is a gift, an opportunity entrusted to us, first and foremost by God, and by the people who put us into whatever position we have. We are never self-made. We are where we are because somebody or people entrusted us this position, this authority, this power. That's sad to say, many of us are tempted to abuse this authority. Authority is given to us not to lord over other people. Authority is given to us not to abuse other people. Authority is given to us not to make ourselves or exalt ourselves. Kasi po ito yung nangyayari sa panahon natin ngayon. And the worst is when we use our authority, this gift, this opportunity to lead other people for our self-interest, to boost our business, our own interests or the interests of our family. But when we would look at authority, it comes from the Latin word auctoritas, and this word comes from the Latin word augere, which means to increase. And so, authority is given to us to augment the lives of other people, not our interests, to increase other people through our service. And this is what the devil, the demon, recognizes in Jesus. See, in our gospel reading today, Jesus is in Capernaum. There, a man is possessed by a demon. And at once, this evil spirit shouted, "What do you want with us, Jesus of Nazareth?" He wanted to have a control and authority to Jesus, over Jesus. Kasi kapag alam mo yung pangalan, ibig sabihin nun, meron kang kakayanan na mas makapangyarihan ka. Pero hindi tumubra kay Jesus, and dito he recognized that Jesus has the power to destroy him. And he said, "You are the Holy One of God." And Jesus simply said, "Be silent and leave this man." And the devil, the demon, left him without harming the man. And all were amazed and said, "He commands the evil spirits with authority and power." So here, Jesus' authority is felt because it becomes an augere, means he made the life of the man possessed by the evil spirit comfortable. He liberated the man from being enslaved from the power of the evil one. And so he now enjoys the comfort of life because Jesus liberated him from the power of the evil one, he augmented his life by being liberated from the power of the evil one. And so if we try to put this in our lives, so hopefully whatever power or authority given to us, let us use it to augment the lives of other people, of those people entrusted under our care. That we use this authority to make the lives of other people comfortable, not our self-interest, our own interest, but we use it to serve other people. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawak Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.